Hey viewers, so in this video we're going to see about the loop. There are three type of loop: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Loop simply means that whenever you are doing some repetition work, you can put that code in a loop. Like suppose if I tell you to print your name 100 times, then what you will do? You will every time using the cout, cout, cout. If I say that you can print your name within the 3 line of a code with the for loop. So in this video we're going to use the for loop code to print your name on the time as many as you want. You can print the name. So let's run our code. Suppose I have given the for, then I will given the int and variable a, and it will start from a and then less than and equal to, suppose from till 10 time I want to print my channel name, and then plus plus every time increase the 1 value and cout let's say my HackQ, and then endel, yeah, endel then semicolon. Endel means that you are every time you are printing the message in the next line. Let's run the code. See, as you can see on the screen, it has successfully printed our message till 10 times. You don't believe? Then see one more time. Suppose if I given a, now see till 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 till 10 times it has been printed our message. See, only 2 line of a code, it has printed our message till 10 times. Suppose if you don't know the for loop, then every time you have to use cout to print that message. For loop make our work easier, and there are two more type of loops, so we will going to cover in the next video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel, and if you really like this video, then you know what to do. Like the video.